Hi guys, welcome to Tips from Stella. I hope you are doing great today. And that is ginger tea. Yeah, drink a cup of fresh ginger tea daily or as often as you can for your baby to have good quality hair. Sure, quality of hair is highly determined by the genetics, but ginger can help improve the quality of the hair in terms of shine, softness, and manageability. Take note that ginger can thin the blood, so it is very important to stop taking it in the last 3 weeks of your pregnancy, just in case you will end up having a C-section. And to prepare ginger tea, simply grate a teaspoon of fresh ginger root, add it to a tea filter like this one or a paper filter. Place it in a cup and pour fresh boiling water. Let it steep for at least 10 minutes, after which you can add honey to enjoy. And that's just about it for today. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up or a comment, and of course subscribe for more. See you in the next video, and don't forget to love yourself first. Bye.